What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at a box right here that is full of designer clothes that are either returned, closeout sale items. Basically, we're getting a ton of different designer items for a very cheap price. How this works is from a liquidation website. Now, there's a few different liquidation websites. There's ones like liquidation.com, Fox Liquidation. There's just a few different ones you guys can use if you actually want to go ahead and check these out. Now, like I said, a lot of these items are like sale items or they're returns, but whatever. They could be shoes, clothing, anything like that. Now, the retail value. Okay, so I wanted to come on here and let you guys know the retail price was a little bit different. So I've already seen what's in the box at this point because I've already filmed it, but I wanted to show you guys the manifest real quick so you guys can see kind of what was in there, but I'm not gonna show you exactly what was in there. So, find out my order number. It's been so long since I purchased this, I honestly forgot which the details were about it. So the cost for me was $488.41, which is a little bit steeper than $300 and whatever it was that I say in the video. And then the total retail was $3,011.99. So the average cost per unit was $8.90. I think it says there's 26 items in there. And then when you break down everything, I'm gonna try not to expose to you like what items there were, but you can just see kind of the breakdown. The retail is like 800. I got it for that price. And then the list continues and there's this whole manifest. I didn't look at it before doing the video because I wanted to be surprised, but I just knew that there's items from like Gucci, Off-White, and all that in the box. So again, if I say a different price, it's not that, it's $488. And then we'll go ahead and put it back. The value of this box was $3,011 and some change. I ended up paying around $338 for this specific box right here after shipping and all that. Now, this specific box, apparently, or I know it does, the manifest said, you can kind of see a breakdown of the items. You can't see pictures or really anything on them, but it shows you how much they originally cost. There is Gucci in this box. There's Y3 in this box. I think I saw Versace, Off-White is in this box. I can't believe that I forgot that part. But this package, to my knowledge, is believed to be stolen. But I actually have it now and it looks like it's in full contact, and to what I've been told, nothing has been tampered with the box. But as you guys know on this channel, I love doing giveaways, and we're actually be giving away the Off-White item that's in this box. Now, you will have to wait to see what that is until we get to that part of the video, but if you guys are a fan of this channel, you guys know all you have to do for that is to subscribe. You have to follow me on Instagram. You have to comment down below Off-White, and then you guys be entered, but you can see the details in that later in the video. But you guys know that I don't just like sitting here talking. I like to do a little bit of storytelling. So let me go ahead and show you guys why I think this package was stolen and how I was able to get it back. So let's go ahead and explain how that happened. All right, let me show you exactly what I mean, why I think the package was stolen. So we're gonna use this box right here as an example. I'm headed over to the mailroom right now so I can show you what I mean. Mailman walks in this room right here. See all these packages here? They're not supposed to be here. They're supposed to come in, take the package, enter it into the system, and then put it in one of these lockers and you get a text. Well, apparently all of these lockers are full. So they start putting all of this stuff right here. Now, what this means is I can come in and I can just, grab this package and it's not even mine, but I can take it with me and go. Which is obviously what you shouldn't be able to do, because if I just leave my package here, what's to say somebody's not gonna come and grab it? So on the morning of, apparently my package was just drop right in here. I actually need to check because I might have a package in here. See, like, how do you know if you have a package? This is how my thought process went. It got dropped in there by FedEx. Somebody saw it was on the outside, and decided to take it. That's my rational thinking. But if I do try to think a little bit more rational, the people from the front desk got it. But the reason I don't think that happened is because the girl that worked that day said FedEx never came in. FedEx never dropped off any package. So I searched every crevice with them. I'd tell you every crevice. We searched every package room, every locker, we opened it. Did not find the package. So at this point, it's been a month and a half and I hear nothing. I get a refund on my website that I bought it off of. Well, I have credit on the website. And they said to buy another box, which I waited to do. 2 days ago, the package shows up. I said, let's check the security footage. If you have a security camera, why is there security footage? They said they had to get the police involved to do that. And then they said, well, never mind, you just have to call FedEx and tell them it's lost, and that's it. Now, when I tell you we searched every package room, and it wasn't there. Now, the only confusion that I could see that happened was there's another name from the person that sent it on the package. Maybe they got confused, but still to this day, I won't know. I told them they need to put out a message to all the people and be like, we're gonna get the police involved if nobody just turns up the package, because I'm not about to lose a package that's worth a couple $100. If it was like an Amazon package for like 10 bucks, I'd probably let it go. But this is a few $100s. I'm not gonna let that go. So I told them that. I'm not sure what happened. They didn't even tell me that the package showed up. I just went and I looked in the room and it was in a pile of packages that had my name on it. Now let's get caught up and see what was actually inside of it and why I put up such a stink. Okay, now that we're back, we have the package. You guys are all caught and up to date. Now we have to unbox this thing. Now this is a little bit smaller than all the other packages. Apparently it has 26 items, I believe. 27? Anywhere from 24 to 27 items. And again, I paid $338. So let's just go ahead, bring the table over and see what we got. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys exactly what we got, because I don't even know what half the stuff is in here because it's been so long since I actually went ahead and purchased. It's been a month and a half now. So if we open it up like this, which rip this open and see what we have. All I see is some wrapping right now, which is nicer than all the previous ones that I've done. Opening it up, you can see wrapping right here. Now, I guess we're just gonna go at it. They're all just probably gonna be piled in here. So let's take this off right here. And then we have a pile of clothes. Now, we've had some W's, some sort of L's throughout the time, but again, for me, if I can make the money back by selling this stuff in here for up to $338, I'm happy. Making my money back, it's good. First thing up is a gray t-shirt, and the branding of this one is, they had it originally at $38 down to $19. This is a junk food size small NOLA New Orleans shirt. Seems like your typical graphic t-shirt, nothing crazy going on here. Pretty soft and $38 originally, so tally up. Not too much on that one. This one still has a tag on it though, so everything seems to be a-okay. Doesn't seem worn or anything like that. Next up, we have another black t-shirt, and we'll pull this out, or the first black t-shirt, and let's see, this is a long sleeve shirt from the brand Blended Mills. Again, something never heard of that. $78 originally. This was from Bloomingdale's actually, and that's all it says. Doesn't say if it was marked down. Just a black t-shirt with a button down the middle. Nothing crazy. This is something you see a nice country boy wear with some jeans and cowboy boots, whatever. Okay, next thing up, another gray shirt from the brand Suburban Riot. $42 originally. What does this even say? Nerdy by nature. Not sure if I'm gonna be wearing this one, but it's a soft t-shirt nonetheless. Let me see if I can make this easy. Okay, so I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable right here. We can kind of point this down. We have a lot of t-shirts. I wasn't expecting this many t-shirts, and they're all like the same kind of. So this is a Velvet by Graham and Spencer shirt. This actually looks pretty decent. Kind of just like rough around the edges. Looks kind of small. It's $74 originally. Definitely, that's pretty high price for this right here, but a blue t-shirt nonetheless. Very simple. Then we have something green right here. Let's pull this out. What? Oh shoot, all this stuff is falling. What is this? Oh yes, I just saw the logo. This is a Y3 jacket. So this one retailed at $420. They had it marked down to $126. Couldn't sell it at that. $420 was the original retail price. Check this thing out. Dang, for 300 bucks, getting this jacket, even though it was on sale, could classify as being worth it. Now this is something I'm definitely gonna end up probably selling, called the M Nylon hood jacket. This is a size small, so would not fit me, but looks like just a nice weather jacket, water, rain resistant jacket. You got zippers here. This looks like a pouch to put your headphones or something. Very nice jacket. Everything with Y3 is typically really good quality. Actually, I'm gonna put this on real quick. Again, if you want to get this, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this up on my website tonight. So once the video drops, you guys will be able to grab it if you want to. And there we go. Here's the Y3 jacket. It actually isn't too small. A little bit small, but nothing too crazy. This is a nice jacket, man. It's got like some weird ribbing on the side. $126 they couldn't sell it at, and we got it in a box of $300 and something. Next thing up, we have a shirt. It looks like there's two of them actually of the same one. Dear Santa, I can explain. This looks like a shirt a mom would wear. This is a nice soft gray, heather gray shirt. We got two of them. One size small and one size medium. Originally $34 each. Don't know. Maybe I'll give these to my mom and my sister for Christmas this year. Then I got a shirt that says Kid Dangerous Grime Culture. Can I get a hill? Yeah. This was originally $34. They marked it down to $34. This is a weird shirt. Definitely, I don't know. Whatever. I'm not gonna keep talking about it. We have another heather gray shirt. There's so many of these in here. They're all super soft. This one says Riot, and this was $42 from Suburban Riot. Again, another one of those. 42 bucks. If I was to sell this, probably do it for like 10 bucks. Next up, we got another shirt that says Bar. These are actually some decent shirts. They're a lot better than the other ones that we've gotten. This one was 42 down to 29, and it's called the Bar Tee from the same Riot company. Again, this is one maybe my mom would like. Got a black shirt right here. Let's pull this out, and it says Bowie. Is this a David Bowie shirt? $48. Chasor. The David Bowie under license of so I guess it's a David Bowie shirt. It's pretty cool. Definitely a nice little graphic. These are really actually decent items compared to the last ones. They're ones that could be worn in your everyday practice. For some of the other ones, it was all stuff that was like duplicates. I don't know. It was just things that I wasn't meshing. Then we have, oh gosh, I see a box, and I think I know what that is. It was falling down. Ooh, the beloved item of this box. I'm so excited to see what this looks like. I knew there was a Gucci item, and I knew it was an accessory, but I didn't know exactly what it is. I'm excited to see. Oh my lord. Let's pull this off. Ready? 3, 2. We have another Gucci box. Gucci right there. Open it up. I'm gonna close my eyes and let you see. Is it a heater? Don't fall out. Is it a heater? What is it? Oh, wow. This thing is actually nice. Hold up. This was originally $870. Holy crap. Look at that watch. This is like a nice black, that's a black strap, and it's got a nice like black face. That's clean. I might have to keep this thing for myself. Dang. Wow. $870 Gucci. This is real Gucci. Maybe, I don't know if it was just like a department store thing. You could see Gucci. Wow, this is sick. I actually really like this. And it comes with a box, which is surprising. See what else it comes with on the inside. It's like a pan flip pamphlet in here. So I call that a W right there. Wow, I'm impressed. I just don't even see them really selling this in the Gucci store, if I'm being 100% honest, but I still think that this is just a nice little piece. Whenever I go to Gucci store, I don't see watches for some reason. Yeah, I do actually. They just don't look like this. This just looks too generic to be like a Gucci thing. Maybe it's just like a department store thing. I know off Saks Avenue sells stuff like that, and it's probably where that was from. Then next we have a few more t-shirts. Let's pull this, whatever this is. This is Under Armour actually. We have a Under Armour size medium. It's like a V-neck. This was originally 30 bucks down to 14. Under Armour shirt. I used to wear these when I played baseball. Pretty solid shirt right here. Again, probably not one that I would wear. I don't wear much activewear things, but it's a nice shirt. Like Under Armour is a nice brand. So let's keep going. We have another bar shirt. I think this is size extra large. I'm gonna give this to my grandfather actually. You're gonna see a streetwear makeover in 2 days, or a hype beast makeover in 2 days with my grandfather. I'm gonna have to give him this shirt. He loves martinis, loves gin martinis. Gotta give this him. Then we have another one. Wow. This is a size large. We have like every size possible. So I'm gonna have to add these to the website. If you guys like these, 10 bucks a pop, I think is a fair price. All three of them were originally, I think, $34. Originally $42 down to $29. All right, let's grab the box and just kind of bring it closer and keep this moving. So we have, why did I even grab it? Shirt right here. This has a tag on a Bloomingdale's. I guess this was a return Psycho Bunny. There's no tag on it. It's just a polo with a bunny on it. Psycho Bunny, apparently. I'm not a big wearer of polos, and I don't wear polos anymore, so this will not be worn by me, but it's not a bad, idea. It doesn't say a price on here, so it says this is a job out item. I don't know what happened. Maybe somebody returned it, no tag, and they threw it in here. Then we have a button down right here from Bloomingdale's, the men's store. $98 on the 48, and then now it's here. Just a button down. I'm not gonna talk much about that. There's still some items in here. Okay, I'm skipping ahead because I just found the item. I was like, where's this one item from Off-White? And I found, we got an Off-White bag. Wow. Product bag 2013, Off-White Virgil. I've seen items like this go on sale before. There's a sale that's gonna be happening next month. There's Off-White hats that are like $40. I bought one for $45. That's probably what happened. If this is the temperature hat, this is assuming this is maybe from last season. This actually looks kind of, there's like a Sharpie mark here. There's like, I don't even know what, that's like a dirty mark. I don't know what that, there's another Sharpie mark there. It still has the tags on it. The sticker is actually ripped off, but it says Off-White main label. This all looks good. Temperature is not the most recent. I think this is like season or two ago. So maybe this was just something they had left over that they never sold. I don't know. That's interesting. But Off-White, there you go. Get the bag with it too. These, I think hats like this go for like 100. I don't know. I think hats like 130, 150. I don't know. But this is going to be the item that I actually give away. So if you want to enter to win this, even though there's like a Sharpie on it, it still looks good. There's just dust and stuff on the top too. But all you have to do to enter to win this is you have to subscribe to the channel, of course. You have to follow me down below on Instagram. You have to comment Off-White, and then that's it, and you'll be entered to win. And I'll pick the winners in the next mystery box video, which should be 2 videos after this. So pretty decent on that. I think out of everything, I think I can easily make my $338 back. Like watch alone, even though I'm gonna keep it. So I'm not gonna be able to make my money back on that, but this, I could probably sell for like 50 bucks, I would think. But I would honestly just rather give back to you guys and give it away. So that's what I'm gonna do. We got Off-White, Gucci, and let's see what else we got here. We have another shirt here. This looks like, it's another Heather Gray shirt from, all right, you guys are gonna make your graphics easier to read. How am I supposed to read that? D-I-L-A-S-C-I-A. Dilaskia. Am I just like, I don't even know. Save water, drink beer. Okay. Interesting shirt. Originally 35 down to 18. Some interesting things. These are a lot of graphic tees. Then we got, I see a Hugo Boss label here. This was a job out, Hugo Boss. This is a return label, so this is apparently return. Doesn't say a price on it, but this is pretty cool. It's just got like a nice little splatter on the front. Looks like a galaxy or something. This is an extra, it's a large. I think my dad will rock this for sure. It's like all he wears. These boxes I'm able to give back. My mom, my grandpa, my dad, like works for me, and I get to sell some of the stuff to you guys. I don't know how, this box is still heavy. There's still a lot of items in here left. Let's see, the blue shirt, we have another Hugo Boss shirt. This is an extra large. Again, another return, originally 105. Dang, my dad literally probably has this. This was returned too. So I guess somebody didn't like their Hugo Boss collection that they just purchased. Then we have two things. We have a scarf here, maybe. This is a Versace collection scarf. This looks cool. Let's see, this is originally $220 down to $119, down to, I don't know, the last thing that they had it at. So nice little Versace collection. I just don't know the differences between Versace collection, Versace underwear. Like, I know Versace main stuff is expensive, but this, I guess $220 is expensive. But then we have this green, these look like cargo shorts. Yep, these are your cookout dad shorts that I will not be wearing. Size 36, this is your dad's cookout shorts. That's all I'm gonna say on that. We'll keep moving. We have some more more shorts. Looks like a bathing suit, actually. Yeah, this is a bathing suit. Originally 80 bucks, down to 15. Barney Cool, size 34. I can see somebody went out to the beach. I don't think that's that bad compared to the shorts previous. Looks like we have a few more items. Let me pull all these out. God, there's so many items in here. And there's, that's it. And you got the nice little paper there too. Let's pull out this shirt right here, this jacket. This is gonna be a problem. We have a tag on here. This looks like a freaking tracker. So the website warns that you might get items that have a security tag on them. And they said I shouldn't worry about it because I was gonna buy a thing, but I guess I just landed on something with it. This was a blank New York City bomber jacket, size medium. This thing looks nice. It looks like pretty good quality. I don't know what to do about the scanner. Like, what do I do about that? Scanner's like $60. If I were to want to sell this, I don't know if I could even get that back to where it'd be worth it. Maybe one of you guys want to buy this with the tag and you know how to get it off. I don't know what to do. That's kind of a tough situation. I wasn't expecting that. Looks like we have two more things here. We have a pair of bathing suits that's really small. Trunk, $48 originally. Trunkbeachwear.com. Just a nice pair of salmon shorts. Pretty simple. And then we have a pair of jeans. What brand is this? This is returned. 7 for All Mankind. 7 for All Mankind is definitely a nice company for jeans. These are really good quality. I had a pair when I was like 15. My dad found them on sale for like 80% off and got me one. These are a size 33 Slimmy, straight leg, Luxe Performance denim. So yeah, that's what we got. This pair of 7 jeans. We got Off-White, we got Gucci, we got Versace Collection, Hugo Boss, some good brands. I think that was pretty solid, and I definitely think I should be able to make my money back on this. But I think that's gonna be it. If you guys liked all this stuff, let me know if you want it. It will be featured on my website, the items that I'm not gonna wear, I'm not gonna give away. Yeah, hopefully you guys can get some good prices on it, because I like to, you know, be able to recycle and get back to you guys and put the money back into these videos. But that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like down below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.